man who coined vibe coding, a founding member of OpenAI, sat down for a 2.5-hour interview and calmly told the AI world to cool the hype. Real, useful AI agents are a decade away, not a year. The clip made headlines. But the headlines missed the interesting part, his reasons. They come down to one strange sentence: we are not building animals, we are summoning ghosts. Give me 5 minutes, and that sentence will change how you look at every chatbot you use. Start with animals. A zebra is born, and within minutes, it runs. Nobody teaches it. Eons of evolution packed the instincts, the body plan, the learning machinery straight into its DNA. Karpathy's point: evolution ships animals with an enormous amount pre-installed. That is one way intelligence can exist, grown, embodied, tuned by survival. Now look at what we actually built. A language model never grew up in a body. It never touched the world. It was trained on one thing: the written residue of human minds, our books, our arguments, our code, our diaries. So what comes out isn't an animal at all. In Karpathy's words, it's a ghost, an ethereal spirit echo of humanity, imitating the patterns we left behind, not evolved, summoned from our own text. And that framing explains his most controversial claim, that today's autonomous agents, in his words, just don't work yet. Not because the demos are fake, but because the ghosts are missing faculties animals take for granted. His list is specific. They don't truly remember you, they don't learn on the job, and they can't be trusted alone for long stretches. Think of them, he says, like an intern or an employee you just hired. The potential is real, but they can't do the job reliably yet. Take the sharpest one, continual learning. Every session, the model wakes up with the same frozen brain. You can paste notes into its context window, its working memory, but the weights, the actual knowledge, never update from experience. Karpathy compares it to a coworker with amnesia. Brilliant for one conversation, then the day resets. Humans consolidate, we sleep, we distill the day into ourselves. The ghosts, so far, don't. Then there's how they practice. Reinforcement learning, the engine behind the reasoning models, gets a brutal review from him. It's like sucking supervision through a straw. The model works through a long 1,000-step solution, and at the end, one single number comes back, good or bad. That verdict gets smeared across every step, the brilliant ones and the lucky ones alike. Humans don't learn like that. We review, we pinpoint, we know which step was the clever one. He thinks the field will need something better. Put it together, no continual learning, then feedback, missing faculties, and you get his timeline. Not the year of agents, the decade of agents. He isn't saying progress is stuck. He's saying the remaining problems are the deep kind, the kind you solve over years of research, not over a product cycle. Coming from one of the field's genuine builders, it's less pessimism, more construction schedule. Which leads to his calmest, most contrarian prediction. Ask him about AGI transforming the economy, and he points at history. Computers transformed everything, and GDP growth stayed near 2% a year. The internet, same. His bet is that AI, even AGI, dissolves into that same steady curve, everywhere, load-bearing, and strangely invisible in the statistics. Not a vertical spike, but more of the same slope we've ridden for centuries. None of this makes him a pessimist. Ghosts summoned from human text are already writing code, passing exams, and reshaping work. His argument is about honesty. Know what you're using. It remembers nothing. It learns nothing between sessions. It practices through a straw, and it is still, somehow, astonishing. Understand both halves, and you'll use it better than the people reading only headlines. The full interview is linked below, 2.5 hours with one of the clearest thinkers in AI, worth every minute. This is the 4th video in our Karpathy series: the data labeler, the software eras, the GPT file, and now the ghosts. And when you want the mechanisms under all of it, our full free course is on the channel lesson by lesson. Subscribe. The ghosts are just getting started.